Very good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are safe and fine at your home. So, dear students, today we will be discussing about conjunctions of reason. I hope all of you must have read this before also about conjunctions of reason. So, before we start, we must know what is a conjunction. Okay. Now, conjunctions are the joining or linking words. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining or linking words, okay, which helps us to join two words together or two sentences together. See here in this example, I went home early because I was not well. Now, here we have two sentences. First part is this: I went home early, this one, okay, and the second sentence is I was not well, okay. Now these two sentences are joined together with the help of which conjunction here? Because, okay. So because is the connector here, because is the linking word which is joining these two parts or two sentences together to convert it into one single sentence, okay. Now see here in our syllabus we have to do conjunctions of reasons. Now what are conjunctions of reasons? Conjunctions of reasons are used to link reasons and results, okay, reasons and results. Now see here, we have these conjunctions of reasons: because, so, as, since and for. Now how do we use them? Now result is connected with the reason with the help of because. It can be connected with the help of so also. It can be connected with the help of as also, since and for. But we need to take care of this thing that when we are using because, where would be the reason and where would be the result. When we are using so, result will come with the so conjunction, okay, and the reason part will come before, okay. Then the same way, if we are using as here, as, the reason will be following as word here and then the result will be there, okay. And since with reason and then result, okay. And for, if we for के साथ भी हमें reason for के साथ लगेगा और result जो है वो starting में, means because है, अगर as है और अगर since है और for है, reason will come with these connectors, ठीक है. रिजल्ट जो है वो अलग होगा, ठीक है. इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू इन दिस टेबल गिवन हियर, ओके. लेट्स सी. नाउ सी हियर इन दिस फर्स्ट टेबल, फर्स्ट इफ कंजंक्शन कम्स इन द बिगनिंग, ठीक है. ये टेबल इस तरह से बनाया गया राजे. इफ कंजंक्शन कम्स इन द बिगनिंग, कॉज और रीजन विल फॉलो इट, ठीक है, एंड देन रिजल्ट विल बी देयर. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज देयर. Because, now here because conjunction is there, since conjunction is there, for and as. All these, what happens when all these conjunctions are used in the beginning of the sentence, or let's say if the sentence is beginning with these conjunctions or the sentence is starting with these conjunctions. Now which sentence we are talking about here? Now this is the conjunction. Let's take example: because our local shop has closed. This is one part and this is the reason. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी local shop जो है वो बंद हो चुकी है. Because our local shop has closed, I have to go to a supermarket to get my groceries. ठीक है. अब because हमने beginning में लगाया, sentence हमने because से शुरू किया है, तो उसके साथ ही reason आ जाएगा हमारा और result फिर उसको follow करेगा, ठीक है. Because our local shop has closed, comma, I have to go to a supermarket to get my groceries. Result क्या हुआ? क्योंकि supermarket जो हमारी local shop है वो बंद हो चुकी है, इसलिए रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, हमें सुपरमार्केट जाना पड़ा, ठीक है। सेम वे वी विल यूज सिंस आवर लोकल शॉप हैज क्लोज्ड, कॉमा आई हैव टू गो टू अ सुपरमार्केट टू गेट माई ग्रोसरीज, एंड सेम वे फॉर और एज we are using in the beginning, we will be using it the same way. For our local shop has closed, comma I have to go to a supermarket. As our local shop has closed, comma I have to go to a supermarket to get my groceries. Now this is the scenario where the sentence is beginning with these conjunctions because, since, for or as. Now Rajiv, we can use the conjunctions in the middle of the sentence also, in between the sentence. Now here the sentence was starting with the conjunctions. In this case, see here, first conjunction, then reason, then result. One part is this, one condition is this, okay. Now second, result comes first when the sentence is beginning with the result part, and then conjunction, and then reason, okay. Now see here, we played indoors because, since, as, for. ये सारी conjunctions हम in between use कर सकते हैं दो sentences को join करने के लिए middle में sentence के. We played indoors because it was raining, okay. We played indoors since it was raining. We played indoors as it was raining. We played indoors for it was raining. Now this is second scenario. In second scenario, what we are doing, we are using conjunction in between the two different sentences, ठीक है, उनके बीच में यूज कर रहे हैं, सेंटर में सेंटेंस के ज्वाइन करने के लिए उनको हम यूज कर रहे हैं. वी प्लेड इनडोर्स, वन पार्ट ये है. रिजल्ट जो है वो बिगनिंग में आ गया. रिजल्ट को रीजन से ज्वाइन करने के लिए जो कंजंक्शन है दैट इज यूज्ड इन बिटवीन द these two sentences. Clear है? I hope this is more clear to you, right? Now this was the first condition where the sentence was starting with the conjunction. This is the second condition where conjunction is used in between the result and the reason. Result comes first, then conjunction, and then reason. Okay? Now we have this third scenario. Let's see. Now in this third scenario, what happened? Reason will come in the beginning. ठीक है? Reason comes first and then conjunction and then result. Now see here, it was raining. Now this is the reason. It was raining, so we played inside. Okay? Now it was raining, so we played inside. यहाँ पर ये reason है, बारिश हो रही थी इसलिए. Result क्या हुआ? We played inside. This is the result. Okay. Now Raji, all these conjunctions we can use in three ways as I have told you. Let's take a recap. First condition, when the sentence starts with the conjunction, means first conjunction, then reason, and then result. Second, first result, then conjunction, and then reason. Examples are given here. And in third case, what we have, first reason, okay, then conjunction, and then result. And it happens only in this case when we are using so. ठीक है? We cannot start the sentence with so here. ठीक है? So will come after the reason and before the result. Clear है? Now see Rajay, because, since, as and for are very similar in meaning. These all can be used in the same way. Means we can begin our sentence with these four conjunctions. Okay? And these conjunctions can come in between the result and the reason. Okay? Clear hai? Now let's take few more examples here. Okay, let's see. It was cold, so I put on my coat. Now यहाँ पे it was cold क्या है? Reason. हमने अभी देखा है कि जो रीजन है वो कब पहले आएगा, जब हम सो कंजंक्शन का यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ इट वॉज कोल्ड सो आई पुट ऑन माई कोट. ओके, what is the another way to write this? Since it was cold, I put on my coat. As I have told you before also, Raji, that we can use all the conjunctions. We can write these sentences using all these conjunctions, but we should know where to use which conjunction and when will the result part will come in the sentence and when will the reason part come. Okay. Now here, since it was cold, comma, I put on my coat. Sentence is beginning with the conjunction. Okay. Because it was cold, comma, I put on my coat. Again, sentence is beginning with the conjunction. Then, as it was cold, I put on my coat. Again, conjunction से start हो रहा है. For it was cold, I put on my coat. Okay. So these are the examples where the sentence is beginning with the or sentence is starting with the conjunctions. Clear hai? Now another scenario, I put on my coat. Now this is the result. जब हम because, since, for और as बीच में यूज करेंगे तो result will come first. ठीक है, then conjunction and then reason. But जब so यूज करते हैं तब आपका रीजन पहले आता है, रिजल्ट बाद में आता है. ओके, सो हियर आई पुट ऑन माई कोट बिकॉज इट वॉज कोल्ड. ओके, दिस इज द रीजन. मीन्स द रीजन पार्ट विल कम विद बिकॉज, सिंस, फॉर और एज जो भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, रिजल्ट पार्ट जो है वो उनसे अलग होगा. इसको हम पूरे का पूरा पार्ट जो उठाकर स्टार्टिंग में भी लेकर आ सकते हैं, पर रीजन पार्ट जो है इनके साथ जाएगा. ठीक है, रिजल्ट पार्ट कैन कम हेयर. ओके, सो आई पुट ऑन माई कोट सिंस इट वॉज कोल्ड. आई पुट ऑन माई कोट फॉर इट वॉज कोल्ड. आई पुट ऑन माई कोट एज इट वॉज कोल्ड. क्लियर है? So I hope, Rajay, it is more clear to you now. So do watch this video again and again. All these conjunctions of reasons, all of you should know about these. So we have basically these conjunctions of reason: because, so, as, since and for. Okay, so go through this and do watch this video to get better understanding, and I will get back to you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.